Almighty Allah, the most merciful, entirely merciful, and specially merciful. Hope that guys, all of you will be fine and stay away from coronavirus. Before starting our new lesson, I have to tell you something that's very important. Just you have to stay away from crowded places and observe the hygiene. This my notice for you guys. You have to stay at home. Don't go around the city. Just stay at home.
Okay there students, welcome back again to your next session of your grammar. Grammar today we are going to talk or we are going to discuss about new title, that is adverbs of certainty. But before we discussed about the categories of adverbs, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, but today we are going to the other category of adverb, that is called adverbs of certainty. Before we start our lesson, just I have to tell you something, that when you're talking about something, just you have to know what is the definition of that. After that, you can make more examples about them. First of all, you should know the definition of adverbs of certainty. That what is adverbs of certainty? Okay, an adverb used to show definiteness or sureness of the action is known as an adverb of certainty, or we can call this adverbs of certainty. Adverbs of certainty in Dari, it has own meaning that پیوده اطمینان یا یقین که ما چگونه میتونیم اطمینان یا یقین خود را حاصل کنیم. Okay, just here are some adverbs of certainty that you have to keep in mind, that they are certainly, surely, definitely, and obviously. These are called adverbs of certainty. Here are just I mentioned some of them. Just you can find more adverbs of certainty, and after that you can make more examples about them. Okay, now we're going to move to examples that we have. Surely he loves me. Here the word surely that I have written in bold green color, that is called what? Adverbs of certainty. It means that surely he loves me. Here we know from the word that it's this is the word that we are going to use them with adverbs of certainty. This is the word that we can use with adverbs of certainty. The next example, that I shall certainly help you, or we can say like this, I must certainly call you, or we can say that I have to certainly accept you. This is also another example for adverbs of certainty. And Ahmad is obviously very clever. It means that we assure something, that we assure something. Now here we assure Ahmad that Ahmad is obviously very clever. Just when you want to, guys, if you want to learn all of these things, just guys, you have to try with yourself. You have to write them down in your notebook if you want to learn them. If you don't, just don't memorize, don't write them down. After that, you can learn something from them. If you want to learn, just you have to focus on whatever I mentioned for you guys. Whatever I said, you have to write them down in your notebook. After that, you can memorize. After memorization, you can write more examples about adverbs of certainty. Here I wrote just some of example, but this is your responsibility. Just you have to write more examples about adverbs of certainty. Okay, welcome back guys to words for your daily routine. Just these words. Now we're going to start our new words by the title of, we have words for a day at school. How we gonna start our day at school, and how we gonna use these words for your day at school. Okay, just I repeat for several times. Just you can repeat after me. I read for several times. That after that you can repeat after me for several times. Okay, just listen carefully. Listen to the pronunciation. These words are very important and you can use for your daily routine. Okay, for the first one, enter the room, enter the room, enter the room, turn on the light, turn on the light, turn on the light, turn on the light, walk to class, walk to class, walk to class, lift or pick up, lift or pick up, lift or pick up, lift or pick up, carry the books, carry the books, carry the books, deliver the books, deliver the books, deliver the books, deliver the books, threw away, threw away, threw away, threw away, compliment, 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 apologize, 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 accept, 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 invite, 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 decline, 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 agree, 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 disagree, 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 disagree. Okay guys, now it's finished. Now this is your turn. You have to repeat with yourself. You have to make sentences for these words to become. Okay, just read with yourself. If you have any problem, just you can contact me. Just listen, just read carefully. Don't make mistakes. If you want to memorize them, just you have to write down on the piece of paper. After that, more you can write. You have to write for several times to memorize in your mind, guys. Just this is the way you have to write. Write. This is very important. These words are very important for your daily activity and how you're gonna use these words for your English language.
Okay, dear honorable students, hope that you have catch my lessons, and one thing I should tell you, dear honorable student, that read your lessons carefully and try to work with yourself and practice with yourself. If you do not